teachers. I'm Dr. M V Chary, a full-time LIC agent and LIC agent online trainer. Today, I am going to explain about key features of a new policy designed by LIC of India, especially for Gurukul teachers and staff and government teachers. Those retirement age is 58 years. Dear friends, what is the retirement of government teachers? 58 years. This is a specially designed plan of LIC I am going to share with you. Dear friends, this policy best works to the teachers, those who are working in TS government school, TS government ZP and MP school, TS government residential school, TS social welfare residential school, TS tribal welfare residential school, TS MGP BC welfare residential school, TS minority welfare residential school, TS government model school, and moreover Kasturba Gandhi residential school. At the same time, TS government aided schools. Dear friends, I am going to explain about a new policy designed by LIC of India for the teachers, those who are working in all these schools. What it is. Before going to explain about this new policy, what we expect from LIC, being a teacher or being a client to the LIC, what you expect from LIC? Dear friends, definitely you will expect secure investment with good returns. What do you expect? Secure investment. Dear friends, this is the only corporation, life insurance corporation, which is guaranteed by Government of India. LIC is guaranteed by Government of India. You will get your money secured. Your investment is secured with good returns. What else? You expect good pension. What do you expect? Good pension up to 100 years of your age. At the same time, what you need? A risk cover throughout your life. Yes friends, this policy will fulfill this factor. Dear friends, what else you need? Maturity and retirement. All of you may retire at the age of 58 years. At the age of 58 years, what you expect? Yes, you want to take home very good, huge amount. Yes friends, this the policy will pay you good amount. At the time of your retirement. At the same time, this policy will cover you the risk until your 100 years. This is the only policy, friend, which covers till your 100 years of age. Moreover, what you need? Loan facility. Yes friends, this policy will give you loan facility for your house construction, child marriage, education, whatever you need. Even foreign tour loan facility. Yes friends, if you plan for a foreign tour, yes, this policy will pay you foreign tour loan facility. What else you need? Yes friends, this is very key factor of this policy, disability benefit. Dear friends, who knows, if something happens and a teacher is not able to attend school, then who will pay the salary? Dear friends, there is no clause in government section, there is no clause in government rules to pay salary without presence of a teacher. Then who will pay the salary? There is no Karunya system of giving a job to their children. Now all government sees that Karunya system also. Then what about their family? If something happens and teacher is not able to attend school, then don't worry friends, LIC will take care. You will get a basic salary from LIC. Dear friends, you will get your salary from LIC. LIC will pay you the salary and no need to pay further premiums also. So no need to pay your further premiums. At the same time, your maturity money, what LIC promised at the time of your policy, yes, your money will be given at the time of maturity. Moreover, you will get pension up to 100 years. Dear friends, these are the key features what you expect from LIC, and it is guaranteed by Government of India. What else? Yes friends, you can pay the premium payment just linking to the salary account. Yes, your payment will be done without any lapsation. What else? Yes friends, you may have doubt how to fix whether you have to choose pension or maturity. Don't worry friends, there is a chance to shift from pension to maturity and pension to maturity to pension. Whatever you want, yes, you can choose. don't worry, if you choose pension now, you can go for maturity amount. If you choose maturity now, yes, don't worry, you can go for pension at the time of maturity or at the time of your retirement. What else? Dear friends, you may have doubt. If I pay the amount to LIC, there may be no chance to take money in an emergency. Don't worry friends, you have chance to take anytime money, that is ATM chance. This is the only policy where you have anytime take money in emergency. This is the only policy pays you in emergency. This is the only policy. Yes friends, what else? Dear friends, there is a chance of hike in your salaries next year. In your salaries next year, what you need? Yes friends, you are expecting a salary hike in next pay revision. Then you all will fall under income tax slab. That means you have to pay income tax. To overcome that income tax under 80C, you can show this policy. What else you need friends? Yes, peace of mind. Dear friend, just go for LIC and your peace of mind is there. Just buy LIC and your peace of mind will be with you. And what else? Your life is secure friends. No need to think about anything. Just plan your remaining things. So this is how LIC works for you. So nothing to say more about LIC. LIC is a guaranteed by Government of India. What else? So I have a plan to the people, those who have age about 25 years. What they have to do is simply pay 5,000 rupees per month and get 1 crore 9 lakh 60,000 friends. At the time of maturity, you can get 1 crore 9 lakh 60,000. How much you are paying throughout the service? Yes friends, you will pay only 22 lakhs. How much you are paying? Only 22 lakhs. But how much you are getting? 1 crore 9 lakhs. That means around 5 times. Around 5 times. Your money is growing 5 times. This is the best way to grow your money. This is the best way to grow your money, just by investing 5,000 rupees per month in LIC. This is the best policy. If you are not interested to take as maturity, then what happens as pension? Dear friends, yes, you can take the pension as 60,000 rupees per month. Yes friends, if you take pension, you will get 60,000 rupees per month. 60,000 rupees per month till your 100 years of age. At the same time, there is a chance to take money whenever you want. If you want money at the age of 65, 70, 75, yes, you can close the pension scheme and take back your money. At the same time, if you don't want money throughout your life, yes, don't worry, your pension will cover up to the living time of your life. If risk happens, your money will be paid to the nominees even after this pension scheme. This is the key feature of this new scheme. Dear friends, all depends on your age. Investment depends on your age factor. That is how I have planned a table. I have given a table here. What I have shown, first line shows this is the table where if you pay 5,875 rupees per month, you will get 1 crore 9 lakh 60,000 rupees as maturity. Or if you choose pension, you will get 60,000 rupees as a pension at the same time, and at the same time you will have 1 crore 8 lakhs risk coverage throughout your life. Dear friends, most of the teachers will fall under this age category, that is around 30 years. I know the factors. Yes, you will be around 30 years because nowadays getting a job at early stage is very tough. So if you fall under 30 years of age, around 30 years, then it is better to go for this plan where you have to pay just 8,550 rupees per month and you will get very good amount. Dear friends, what is the amount you are going to get? 94 lakhs as maturity amount. Or if you choose pension, yes, you will get 51,000 rupees per month as pension. This is a very good benefit given by LIC of India, suitable to all the teachers. Dear friends, these are all the plans what I have shown here. At the same time, as per your requirement, there are other plans where I will explain in next videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy and don't forget to click on bell button to know further notification. Bye. Take care. All the best. In next video, I am going to take a new plan for central government teachers, that is all CBSE, KVS, Army, Kendriya Vidyalaya school teachers. Bye. Sayonara.